Ashley here for Pool Timer Door. Take a look at this Intermatic enclosure that's missing its door. Over time, the sun's UV light makes the plastic brittle, and the door becomes more prone to break and fall off. One strong wind will leave you looking like this. If you ignore this issue, the timer mechanism will likely fail due to water intrusion and being exposed to Mother Nature's elements. And then, you're looking at a $200 plus repair. Don't worry, you can avoid this costly repair by being proactive and replace your pool timer door when needed. Today, we're replacing the pool timer door with a new door from pooltimerdoor.com. All of the Intermatic plastic enclosures have the same dimensions, no matter which timer mechanism is inside. No matter if it's a pool timer or irrigation timer, this door fits them all. Keep in mind that this door will not fit an Intermatic metal enclosure. Now, let's walk you through the steps to replace your pool timer door. The first thing you want to do is confirm your existing enclosure hinges are in good shape. Also, check the locking clip which holds the door closed. If your clip is missing, you can use a tie wrap to keep your door closed. If your hinges are in good shape, then go to pooltimerdoor.com and buy a replacement door. When installing the new door, I suggest applying some lubricant to the existing hinges. Then, place the new door so it's at a 45-degree angle to the existing box. Support the existing hinge with your finger as you slide the new door hinge onto it. And voila! Your pool timer is protected again. For more information or to order or replace your pool timer door, visit us at www.pooltimerdoor.com.